Okay, device incoming is an iPhone 8 Plus, gray in color. Rear camera does not appear to be cracked. Front camera does not appear to be cracked. Incoming charge current is about 0.70 amperes. Customer does have a screen protector on it. Screen protector has a little bit of a smudge on it. I think it might be a little bit of super glue on here. And underneath the screen protector, there's a small fracture that's forming from the upper left-hand corner, upper left-hand quadrant to the central region of the phone, right over here. Digitizer appears to be functional, but a little bit of a lag. Battery percentage is about 99% right now. It's a T-Mobile with 4 bars of reception. There's a small stress indentation in the upper left-hand quadrant as well. Touch ID home button does work. Power button does work. Volume down, volume up button works. Volume rocker also is functional. I'll go ahead and ask for the customer's permission to remove the bottom 2 screws and take a peek on the inside as well, just to make sure everything is fully functional before we proceed forward with the repair.